Hello, this is Mike. It's Tuesday, July 11, and let's take a look and see what's going on here with Easy Trader. For the early birds, you can see this nice trade we had here. This was after the London Open. Unfortunately, uh, our strategy took us out after, because when we go to 4 ticks, we move it to break even. Not everybody does that, but we all we got is 4 lousy ticks, and came over here, and this one we got our 4 and our 8, and this one fired here at 6:50 this morning. I did get that one. I wasn't up this early. And then we had this one fire here at 7:38 or so, and that was good for 4 and 8 and 16 and all the way down. So we're already at goal today. Going into the open, at the open we get one here that fires right after the open at 9:35. We get 4 ticks and go break even on the balance. This one here we go in at 9:43. Entries 2084.75, got the 4, and went up to 2086.50, and didn't quite get the 8 ticks. I took it off before it took me out at break even, so did okay on that one. This one here we fired and didn't do so good. We got in at 2082.50, and it went down to 2082. So only 2 ticks. But it went up and it stayed in the trade, and it went down to 2081.50. Just hit 4 ticks. So we, believe it or not, got 3 ticks out of that. But there was a lot of sweat time in there. This one here, we're right after 10:30. This one was a loser. Entry was at 2084.75. Next trade fired at 10:14, almost 10:15, and entry there was at 2084.50. We got the 4, 8, and the 16 out of that. We're at goal already, so I'm just showing you what the trades were. This one here would have been a loser. This one here fired at 10:51, and that was a 4 and an 8 and a 16, the whole Magilla. And then we're into lunchtime. You shouldn't trade at lunchtime, but that would have got you 4 ticks. This one would have got you 4, 8, and plus some right here. And but of course we're not trading these. And this is still around 1:30. We come into 2 o'clock, 2:30, and we're right now coming into 2:30 right here. This trade here at 2:30 got you 4 ticks. This one here was a loser, quick loser. This one here, if you'd been trading, got you the 4 and the 8. This one here got you the 4 and the 8. And that's pretty much it. You guys can see what Old Easy does. I mean, it just keeps on plugging along. I don't know why you guys are not joining us. We have a lot of people that are with us, and but Easy Trader works really, really well. X Trader is working well too. I'll give you a quick look at the X Trader, and X Trader looks like this, and it's pretty good too. And you'll be hearing more about X Trader. So y'all have a good evening. We'll see you tomorrow.